Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking battery health in Settings Device Care so you know baseline capacity. This tells you if replacement is needed. Once done, enable Adaptive Battery and Dark Mode because they limit apps and pixels that consume power. Next, make quick display changes. Set brightness lower and screen timeout to 15-30 seconds so the screen isn't awake unnecessarily. Also, remove unused widgets and live wallpapers. They continually refresh and hurt battery life over time. Now you tighten app and connectivity control to reduce steady drain. Go into app settings and restrict background activity for non-essential apps using App Power Monitor. That prevents them from waking the device. Make a habit. Turn off Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi when you're not using them because radios constantly probe and consume power. Also, prefer Wi-Fi when available and switch from 5G to 4G if 5G coverage causes frequent reconnections, since constant network searching quickly eats battery. Finish by establishing maintenance habits that preserve battery life. Keep the system and apps updated because manufacturers release optimizations that improve efficiency. Install updates when convenient. Use Battery Saver or Adaptive Power in long days or when under 20% to limit wakes and background sync. If you still see rapid drain, reboot into safe mode to check for rogue apps. If battery stabilizes, uninstall recent apps. Finally, if hardware issues persist, consider a professional battery check or replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.